Yes, okay. So, great evening, everyone. So, yes, okay. Hello, everyone. Andito na naman po ang inyong lingkod. I would like to recap the sizzle of our GM, Ma'am Edith Tandario, regarding the activities for this month of January. So, this is our first, what we call this, information from the sizzle of Ma'am Edin for this year 2025. So I'm going to recap with you the the events for this January, especially sa the whole January natin. So let me share with you, same as usual po tayo, nasa ano pa rin po tayo, manual. Okay? Ayan. So let me discuss with you this one for life. Actually, this one for life, it is more on looking for another new leaders. Kasi yung mga leaders natin na nasa taas po, they are getting old. Ang iba po, darating ang panahon, mag-aano na sila, magre-retire. Pero ang iba naman ayaw mag-retire, okay? But developing the new generation of for life leaders, it is us, okay? Tayo mga affiliates na hindi pa nahasa, mahahasa po tayo kapag naging leaders po tayo pataas, okay, yung posisyon. So, every one of us could be a great leader or a great, soon to be a speaker. Pag great leaders kasi, kahit papano, marami tayong nadadala ng mga buhay ng tao na nabago natin. Our purpose in this business is to give chance na mabago ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino in engaging in for life. So, hoping we are one of those for life generation for life leaders. Okay? So, the next topic po natin is, pasensya na kasi medyo makalimot taon sa next na to ani. So, next is, ito yung next natin. Okay, so medyo mabilis lang man ito. Hindi na natin masyadong maraming slide na i-discuss. So, our next is about the break rank promo. So, pag break rank po tayo, lahat po tayo preferred associate builder. Kapag nag-diamond to diamond elite, you will get at least 14,000 worth of products na magiging free ninyo from January 1 to 31. So, kung nag-presidential naman or presidential elite, ang mangyayari po ay makaka-receive tayo ng 24,000 worth of free products. Pag naging bronze tayo within January, marireceive natin is more than 26,000 or 26,000 worth of products. So, paano natin gagawin ito? Kapag ikaw ay isang preferred customer or associate builder, okay, you have all the chance to break rank to diamond, presidential, or bronze. So, yan po ang magiging reward natin ng mga products. Okay? So, next is, mabilisan lang ito. Hindi katulad, medyo mabilis lang kasi natapos yung season ni ma'am. So, next is, yan. So, this is all about another challenge in another challenge of David Lisunbi Fast Start Challenge. Okay? So, this Fast Start Challenge, ito na naman yung the same challenge last year na pwedeng makapunta doon sa lugar ni Lisunbi, okay, ni Lisunbi to his ranch doon po sa US. So, this is all expense paid by the company. So, lahat na expenses na ito na trip is babayaran ng company from our point of origin na destination, location to our destination, vice versa. So, this challenge it will start on January to April 2025. So, all you have to do is, at least, you have to get a fast start enrollees, okay? Fast start enrollees para kahit papano per tao na mapapasok nyo as fast start, yan po ay 40% as your personal. Pag second naman, pag nag-repurchase sila the following month, you will get another points of 20. Pataasan po ito ng points, okay? So, kung mataas masyado ang points nyo, kung kayo ay isang associate, naging Diamond Elite, or kayo ay naging presidential, then naging presidential elite or bronze to silver, kayo po ay mapipili, depende kung sino po ang may pinakamataas na points doon sa challenge na yan. So, pataasan po ng points niyan. So, ibig sabihin, padamihan po ng enrollment ng fast start. So, kapag kayo ang one of the top, so 3 pang kukunin sa associates na naging Diamond Elite, 2 sa presidential na naging presidential elite, 2 po sa bronze to silver, okay, elite. So, lahat po yan, expenses na yan ay babayaran po ng company natin. Lahat ng expenses na papunta kahit saan-saan sa lugar ni Lisunbi is babayaran po ng company yan. Okay, from the single centavo up to the last centavo. Next is our, okay, so dito tayo ulit. Our 135 Super Saturday. Kung meron kayong mga kakilala na mga taga Maynila or malapit sa Maynila, pwede ninyong pa-attenden ito, okay? Pwede ninyong extended kasi tayo from January to March. So, pwede ninyong pa-attend doon from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, kaya siya 135. 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, tatlong po yan, presentation, the same presentation. So, yung inyong ma-invite doon para sa training na yan, that is a training every Saturday, up to March po. Kapag nabunot po sila, they will receive 1,350. And I experienced that when we were in Manila. So, we attended the Super Saturday presentation, and on the first raffles of 1 o'clock, iba po yung nanalo. On the second po ako, alas 3, nanalo ng 1,350. And then yung manalo, sa last, naka-attend siya ng 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, up to 5 o'clock. Naka-attend siya ng 3 presentation. Then, swerte niya kapag siya po ang nabunod for the 5,000. So, we are still extended up to March pa po itong ating Super Saturday. Every Saturday po ito, from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, dire-diretso na presentation. Then, next natin is, dito kayo may excite, okay? Kasi very exciting itong next natin. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating Great Escape in Turkey. Okay? So, paano natin makukuha yung Turkey Great Escape? Well, palakihan ko muna ha. Tignan nyo yan. Yan po yung ating pupuntahan sa DoubleTree by Hilton Bodrum Isil Club, Bodrum, Turkey. That will be on October 1 to 6, 2025. All expense paid by the company from, halimbawa, kami dito sa Cotabato City, nakuha namin ang Turkey. So, ang maganda nito, good for 2. Ikaw at asawa mo, or kapatid mo, or parents mo, depende, basta good for 2. Kung gusto nyo magdagdag, yan ay cargo nyo na ang expenses dyan. Like for example, kami ng asawa ko, kung makukuha ko itong Turkey, okay, ang husband ko kasama ko, kung gusto ko isama ang anak ko, 3 kami, I'm going to pay all the expenses, all the tickets and so forth sa going to Turkey ang anak ko. So anyway, pag nakuha mo naman ang Presidential Diamond or going up, you are also gaining or earning a big or a huge amount of income. Kapag nakuha nyo po ang Great Escape, tapos 3 beses nyo ito na maintain, napakalaki po, kayang-kaya nyo pong isama kahit na isa sa pamilya ninyo. So, pwede nyo masama dahil kayang-kaya sa expenses. Okay? Dahil napakalaki na po ang kinikita ng isang presidential diamond ng For Life. Okay? So, yan po ang ating starting noong December. So, there is a twice to beat, kumbaga, 2 beses ang ranking noong December. So, unfortunately, hindi namin nakuha yan. But, Ma'am Eileen did not close the door sa twice ulit. Pero hindi niya alam kung meron pa bang twice. Okay? Hoping na meron pang 2 or double ranking. Na 2 makuha mo, sa isang kuha mo lang na nagdalawang hit ka in 1 month, 2, isang kulang na lang para makuha mo ng Turkey na Great Escape. Okay? So, let me tell you about this place of Turkey. Kasi, ang place ng Turkey po, malapit lang po sa Greece at malapit lang po sa Paris. Okay? According to them, very cheap lang din po papuntang Greece, less than 10,000. And then going to Paris, nasa 10,000. So, if you were able to maintain the presidential, okay, you can save for your at least 1 day for overnight tour. So, yun po. So, iba kasi yung tour sa Turkey. Pagdating doon, kung gusto mag-side trip, pwedeng-pwede. Okay, so, tingnan natin gaano kalapit yung Greece doon sa Bodrum at Turkey. Ayan, wait. Ayan. So, kung i-zoom natin siya, ayan po yung Turkey. Okay? Saan po ang Greece? Ayan po ang Greece. Napakalapit niya sa Bodrum. So, makikita lang siguro itong island ng Greece. Or kung Paris naman, wait, hindi ko alam kung saan banda dito, pero according to them, it is one of the place na very near to go to Paris is the Turkey. Kasi itong Turkey po kasi, ito, Eurasia. So, pag sinabing Eurasia, napagitnaan po siya in between ng Asia and the Europe. Okay? So, yun ang maganda doon. So, pagsikapan natin, paano natin siya i-avail? We have to be a presidential diamond and above. So, kung naging presidential ka, you just beat that 3 times. Pero kung meron ulit na promo or challenge na sa isang buwan, 2 beses mo ma-hit, paging presidential, so isa na lang, matutuhog mo ng Turkey. So, this is first time in the history of For Life. So, I hope one of us, or not only one, at least 5, maganda siguro, or more than 5, can achieve the Turkey. Kasi marami tayong sasakay. And we have other, what we call this, yung kasikbit natin, katabi natin mga countries like Singapore, Malaysia. Other countries will also go to Turkey sa mga nakapag-achieve. So, I hope so. More than 5, mas maganda. For those who wanted to rank up to presidential, let me know para pagplanuhan natin at pag-usapan natin. Kailangan yan pag-usapan ng upuan talaga. Okay? Kasi we need prospect that will also wanted to hit. Kasi mabilis na lang. Pero yung maganda niyan if we build diamonds. Okay? So, a diamond factory, we need to build a diamond factory. So, yun na po. At sana po, mahit natin ang Turkey. Mayroon tayong makakasama from Cotabato City, from our team. Okay? So, yun na po. At maraming salamat. Good evening. Gabi na kasi. So, ayan. Happy New Year. God bless us all for this year, 2025. Good health, more abundant blessings, and more achievements in this 2025, and protection from Almighty God. Thank you, and have a blessed days to come. Thank you.